Hello everyone, Morad again and welcome to the second lecture. So to make this mini-series enjoyable, let us start with a fun and thinking trigger story. A story of two separated societies found themselves in different islands, with some caves that contain symbols and drawings on the rocks and walls. The goal of these two societies is each society should understand the symbols in their island, the caves, and rocks, and use them as a written language to communicate their daily life and thoughts. And also, another goal is finding a way to map or to translate from a society's symbols understanding to the other society. So each person will start to observe symbols independently and tries to understand and create a safe perception of the symbols and combination of symbols. So maybe this one is a person dreaming of a treasure or a box. Maybe this one is a man protecting itself from the rain. And in the other society, they have also a group of peoples and different symbols to understand and to use as a communication tool. The persons in these societies, in these groups, are biologically equipped with sensors and learning devices. I call them learning devices, such as eyes, brains, ears, etc., and mouths. These learning devices have the capacity to observe, sensate, recognize patterns, perceive, learn, and adapt through communication feedback and internal or external signals, maybe inner thoughts or external sounds, in order to adjust the perception of a symbol or a combination of symbols. So these learning devices have some unique properties to achieve the goals or the goal of written communication and translation. We will talk about these learning devices in details in the next lecture. But here, what I want you to retain that we have two societies with different groups, with different peoples, and they try to achieve a goal or goals of understanding and communicating with these symbols and combination of symbols, and also translate from one society understanding of symbols to the other. One important note here, I will use this drawing of a brain and eyes and mouth to represent learning devices and to keep the analogies as close as possible to the natural way we learn things. So just keep in mind, they don't represent necessarily the reality of how the eyes and the brain work, but they are analogies that are close to our daily life. So with that said, see you in the next lecture.